Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Joni from Joni's Doll Photography and Karen from Starts and Stitches, we did a little collab with the miniature American Girl dolls, and we set up dressed for the reporter. This is the outfit that I went with. Darren's gonna put a picture. Let's see if I can turn her better so they're side by side. This needed to be small. Well, it needed to be a little bit more short right here, but because I lined it, I did not want to. It would look really funky to put a seam down that. It would be really thick. But anyway, this is what I came up with for my little kit. And because she had the green at the shoulder, at the little bow at the shoulder, I went with green shoes. Darren prints these little shoes. I think they're adorable. But I went with the green to give it more of a green pop. Put a little white shirt on and the little bow and the little vest. And why this is going, you turn on the camera and things go haywire. Her hair, I have had her hair fixed correctly several times, and it just goes right back to bah. So here she is at her little desk. Let me show you this desk. It is, I'll tell you what, I am so blessed with the things that Darren 3D prints for my dolls. I am just, look at a little stand with her name on it. How cute. This little desk, these are little pencils. Her timeline for her story as a little reporter is 1934, and her dad was a reporter, so that's what she wanted to do. And that's why I made Darren was going to print this darling little desk that's actually done in Barbie size, right?
Correct.
And Darren was going to scale it down. I said, no, she's a little girl, make-believing that she's a reporter. Look at these little drawers. Well, now I can't grab hold of it. Each little drawer opens up. How cute is that? I guess I had it tilted wrong. And I don't have anything in here yet. We just got this printed. I love it. Barbie size chair. There were some fancier chairs I really wanted, but I wanted one that would have been appropriate for the 30s. And I thought that was perfect. And she just looks, I think, she just looks adorable sitting here with her little paper, going to write a little story. Let me pull this a little bit. Write a little story at her dad's desk. And that is what I did today for my Kit the Reporter. I'll tell you, I love, love, love these little miniature American Girl dolls. They're cute, they're little, they don't take up a lot of space. I have a bunch of them, and I have two half tubs that they're in.
How nice.
Rather than all over my house. But they are just adorable. They're fun to sew for. There's a pattern book. Should have brought that over. That you can sew for them. They're just cute. Please go by and see Joni and Karen's videos today. I saw a little sneak preview of Karen's little dress. It is adorable, and Joni always has over-the-top details. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and please join us on Thursday nights where we are live and we have a lot of fun. Well, if no one else does, Darren and I do. And would you check to make sure you are still subscribed to my channel, because subscribers have been missing. Thanks for watching.